Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and this video is for Gentry inverter owners only. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm making a transition from one of their older style inverters from a 48 volt, 120 volt, 6 kW inverter over to a 24 volt. And Sid, their engineer over there, has kindly offered his services to help me rewire this thing, so that I don't have to spend a whole lot of money with the shipping, sending it up there, and spending even more getting it back. And I think he offered to do it for free, but I don't feel good about anybody doing anything for free. I mean, everybody's time is worth something. So, if you wanted to charge something, Sid, I'd be glad to, make compensation for it. I don't have any trouble with that. But anyways, now that I've got the lid off here, I found an issue that kind of didn't sit with me the right way. And what that is the neutral terminal going into the bus bar turned out to be just one single number 10 wire. Well, being a 6 kW inverter, number 10 wire is just too small to carry 6 kW. Now, I assumed because there was two number 10 wires on the bus bar here, that the other number 10 was going to go into the terminal off the board, but that wasn't the case. The other number 10 was actually coming out of the bus bar and going right to the outlets over here. So this inverter was carrying 6 kW on one single number 10 wire, which I don't think is right. So what I did is I took that all out and I ran a number 6 over to the board terminal there, and then I took the number 10 wire running off the outlets here and I ran it back to the same terminal. Now I think that's a more proper way of wiring this thing, and those of you who have these older style Gentry inverters, they're surely out of warranty by now, and it'd probably be a good idea if you cracked open the case and did this modification here, give you better peace of mind on the inverter's power handling capability. So anyways, I thought that might be some useful information for you Gentry inverter owners, and appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.